Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are geometric Instagram templates set by GFX, and this is just a model. Here you can edit your post, and there are PSD files. Just open this. These are completely free to download. The downloading link is in the description. You can download it from my website GFX. We offer you free templates, premium templates of premium quality for free. And here it is. You can edit logo here, add your logo here, add your text here, and background, calligraphy button, and other. So almost like they are the post. Just open, for example, this is just a tutorial video that what's in this template, and here it is. This is text, middle, background. You can add your background image, media, text. That's all in this video. There are other PSD templates just like that. You can edit them easily. The downloading link is in the description. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video. Take care.